We'll guide you through how to change the alarm volume on an iPhone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Perhaps you're finding the alarm volume is either too loud or too quiet, and so you want to go and change it. We're going to guide you through how this can be done. If it's too quiet, perhaps it doesn't go and wake you up if it's for when you're waking up, or if it's too loud, it may wake up the entire house. So we're going to guide you through adjusting it and changing it. What you want to do is come out of the clock app like so. Now, what you want to do is you need to come to the iPhone settings. You can see that there. You can drag down and go and type in settings. Here we are. Now, what you want to do is you want to go and scroll down and you need to go and find the option for sounds and haptics. And you need to come into here like so. Now, what you want to do is go and scroll down and we actually need to go and find the ringtone and alert volume bar here. So this is the volume that the clock app goes and uses. It doesn't go and use the main volume on your phone. It goes and uses this here. They're different. So at the moment, this is set as high as it can be. So what we can do is go and click, hold and drag to go and decrease it. Now it is important to note that when we go and change it for ringtone alerts, this changes it for when you have an incoming call, the ringtone, alerts like notifications. So it does go and change it for that as well as your alarm. So do consider that it's going to affect the others. But that's it. You can go and decrease it or increase it depending upon where it currently is. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.